So here we are back in Canvas, and we are going to look at adding some content using the built-in HTML editor here in Canvas. So let's just go to Announcements and click plus Announcement, and that's going to bring up the HTML editor. So I'm just going to add a basic topic, and let's add some text that I've copied and pasted. Let's go to full screen to make it easier to work with. So we're going to click on View, and then we are going to click on Full Screen. And here we go, and we are in full screen mode. So let's use some of these tools to make some changes and edits to our document here. We're going to bold some stuff and underline. Let's continue playing with some of the other features in the HTML editor on Canvas. So let's indent that first paragraph. And then if we want to copy or cut and paste text, there's several options. So let's highlight this first sentence. We're going to go up here to Edit in the left-hand corner, and we're going to cut that text out. So now if we want to paste that text that we've just cut, we can also use the right click method. So if we right click, and then we can paste that text as well. So it gives you several options. We're going to play with some of the other features here. We're going to center the text. We're going to move this paragraph back over, just editing the text so we have it exactly how we'd like. You can see there's plenty of other features like adding charts. You can add exponents. You can upload documents to include there in your text. The one thing you want to make sure of, though, is that you exit the full screen to be able to post your content. So if you go back up there to View in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to click on that and click on Full Screen again, and that's going to exit our full screen mode. If we scroll down, we'll see there in the right-hand corner the Save button, and we can go ahead and save our text that we've just created. And there is our announcement that we created using the HTML editor. Now let's look at adding an image using the HTML editor. So we're going to go to Pages and select Add One, and I'm just going to give this page a generic name. Then we're going to click on Insert, and then we'll go to Image, and then click on Upload. And I'm going to upload an image directly from my computer. So there's the image I want, and we can go ahead and add alt text from here if we'd like. And once we're done, we're going to click Submit there. And there is our image. We're going to click on the image, and we can make some edits to that image. We can choose to resize the image if we want. And then we can additionally crop it or resize it from there. And I'm just going to go ahead and center my image so that it looks good on my page. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some text underneath my image. There's the text that we've added. Let's go into full screen and see how this looks. So there is our full screen mode, and it looks good. Let's select View, exit the full screen, and then we're going to, down there in the right-hand corner, select Save. And then we're going to have our finished product. Here's our page entitled Principles of Practice.